Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and have I got a treat for you. I am doing a salute to the lunchroom ladies that have fed me all through the years by making one of my very favorite recipes that they used to feed me when I was in school. I called them chocolate peanut butter bars, and they called them Reese's Squares. But I've got the recipe from one of the lunchroom ladies, and I'm gonna make it today for you. Now y'all, all of our kids that go to school have these lunchroom ladies and that take care of them. So we need to be good to them. They took good care of me when I was growing up, and some of the best, it was a happy day if they were making those chocolate peanut butter bars. I absolutely loved them. And they got me through many a day. So what we're gonna do right now is salute them by making one of their recipes. And so it's real easy, and it doesn't have but 5 ingredients. It's got peanut butter, graham crackers, butter, confectioner's sugar, and some chocolate chips. It's got all those in it, so that's what we need. So I've already started making my graham crackers into crumbs, and I'm gonna show you how that we do that if you don't know. And I'm sure you do, but if we have the solid ones, we put it in a plastic bag. And I always leave a little space where the air can come out. And then we're gonna use our rolling pin and crunch them up. This is pretty fun. Get out your frustrations on the graham crackers. And then you can roll it. This is my pastry rolling pin, so it's heavy. So anyway, or you can put this in a food processor if you want to. It's either which one you want to do. We just got to get these all crumbled up so we can have some really good treats in just a minute. Now, while I'm doing this, y'all tell me what some of the treats you liked in your lunchroom when you were growing up. I loved these. These were my favorites. My very favorites. You know you got to stay after school, so you get you one at lunch so you can have it later. Just stuff like that. Okay, so we put 13 ounces of graham cracker crumbs in here. And then we're gonna pour in a stick and a half of butter. And, ooh, did y'all hear that cling? A stick and a half of butter. And we're going to put in 12 ounces of peanut butter. 12 ounces. Okay, that's like 12 ounces is a cup and a half. Let's get that peanut butter in there. And then you know what we gotta do? We gotta strong arm it. We're either gonna have to stir it, or we're gonna have to pull out the mixer. And they used to make huge batches in the lunchroom. Of course, I'm just making a 9 by 13 pan. And then I gotta try not to eat them all because I love these things. They made a lot of stuff that I enjoyed, but this was my favorite, my very favorite. See, this is getting mixed up really well. I've got my spatula. Just gotta mix it up. So anyway, y'all tell me some good stories you got about your lunchroom ladies. My aunt worked in the lunchroom for years and fed lots of kids. David's great-grandmother fed kids for, her name was Granny Hackley, but everybody around here called her Aunt Jane, even though she wasn't their aunt. But, she cooked for all of them, and she fed them for decades at the high school. And then when our high school got bigger, they had to start hiring more people. So I think that's pretty interesting. Now y'all see what this is looking like? There you go. See what that's looking like? Looks good. So I'm just going to get all this moistened, and then we're going to put it, and I didn't need my mixer, but I had it out just in case. After you get this looking pretty good, we got to put a little sweetener in this. So here we go. And we're adding confectioner's sugar, and it's 16 ounces or 2 cups. So I'm just gonna kind of spread this out. We do want the sugar in it, right, y'all? I'm gonna go little by little and get this in here. And y'all, this is no bake. You don't have to bake it. You just have to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool for a few hours. Let it get set. All right, I'm gonna finish stirring this in just a minute. But y'all, the next step that we've got to do is to melt our chips. So So I'm gonna go ahead and get those in it. This is a whole pack of these, just a regular size pack of, I've got semi-sweet chips, chocolate chips. And you're also gonna add a tablespoon of peanut butter. So let me reach over and get that. Okay. There we go. All right, let's get finished stirring this up. Y'all, this looks so good. It smells good. It smells all good and peanut buttery. Yay. Glad we're doing this. And remember, it's just got 5 ingredients. It's got 1.5 cups of peanut butter. It's got 16 ounces of confectioner's sugar, and that's 2 cups. 1.5 sticks of softened butter, and you melt that. And then a box of graham cracker crumbs. There we go. This is looking yummy. This is gonna be so good. Can't wait. Okay, now we gotta pour it into a pan and press it down. This is gonna be so good. Bring back a lot of memories for me. What brings back memories for y'all? Y'all let me know. Okay, let's level this out. And we're just gonna start punching it down or pressing it down. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna get the hands in there now. Yeah, press it down, come press it. Use your muscles. Ooh, yeah. Press, press, press. It's gonna be good. Okay, I'm trying to get it even here. Get it all pressed down even in the corners. Right now we've got this melted, and I ended up putting this in a pan and putting a little bit of liquid in there and getting it stirred and melted, and it looks good. And it was pretty fast too. So I'm gonna pour this on the top, and we're gonna spread it out, and it's gonna be so good before long. Okay. Okay, let me get to spreading real quick. All right. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be some good stuff here in a minute. Oh yeah, let's get that spread out. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Now y'all, I put crunchy peanut butter in mine. So mine's not gonna be as smooth as it would look if you used the creamy peanut butter. But I like the nuts, so that's why. Okay. Oh yeah, spread it all out. And now all we gotta do is wait for this delightful stuff to get cool. Gotta put it in the fridge for 2 hours. 2 hours. Look what I got. Ooh, chocolate peanut butter bars, y'all, coming right up. Also known as Reese's Squares. And y'all know these helped me make it through my whole school years. And I thank all the lunchroom ladies that fed me through the years. If y'all got a special lunchroom lady, y'all tell me memories you have about your favorite lunchroom lady. And while y'all are doing that, I'm gonna get me one of these out of here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I cut them already. Now I had to put them in there for 2 hours and let them cool. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Yummy. I'm a happy girl, can y'all tell? I am about to take a bite of these yummy, delicious things. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, y'all. Got crumbs on my mouth. These are delicious. Mm-hmm. These right here will help your kids make it through school, your grandkids make it through school, and you. If you need a treat, it'll help you too. I'm gonna get just one more bite, just one more. That chocolate. These are good. Oh my goodness, y'all. Make you some of these. You will love it. And y'all, God bless all the lunchroom ladies and everybody that helps feed us, because they got some good recipes. And I'm going to tell you what I always tell you. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go make you some of these wonderful chocolate peanut butter bars. You will not be sorry. Bye now.